Our last day in the Lofoten Islands, we drove out to Reine and spent the night at a beautiful fisherman's cottage. We absolutely loved it. The views were incredible and we couldn't help but drone and see all the views from the top. We drove back to our accommodation and spent the evening in the cutest little fisherman's cottage. We couldn't believe our luck and we're so happy we found it.
The positioning of our little fisherman's cottage. We are right on the edge, right at the waterfront. And here's the Reine Fjord. We're right on top of it. Quite amazing, really. We've just checked into our next accommodation here on the Lofoten Islands. We're staying at Eliassen Rorbuer and it's in the town of Hamoy. Come on in. There's a bedroom directly as you walk through the door. Super cute and cozy. Now this is an old fisherman's cottage that's been renovated. So the interior has been renovated and the exterior is the old cottage. It's super rustic and cute. We've got a kitchenette here. It's got the stovetop, microwave. It's got a dishwasher, all your pots and pans, everything you need for self-catering. It's decorated with all these original little details. Obviously wood panel walls and then all the details that have been taken from the fisherman's village, old photographs of the early days and the most incredible views I think we've ever seen. Right out onto the Reine Fjord, we've got snow-capped mountains in the background, the town over to the left, it's extremely pretty. Skylights, hopefully we'll see the aurora this evening. And then just over here to the left we've got our little bathroom. It's the cutest little cottage and we're very excited to be here. A snowstorm started to roll in and we watched it from our beautiful windows, and the next morning woke up to the most incredible sunrise. It was time to leave. We packed up our things and headed off to check out some of the cod drying racks before heading back to Spolva.
It's amazing just how many fish are hanging up here. And this is only one tiny section.
Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.